Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm following one of the tutorials from Dave Nick on affiliate marketing. It's basically me sending affiliate emails to people, and when they buy the product through the link, I should earn a commission. I'm trying to sell them a product that will help their website rank better, so I'm trying to find low-ranking website, send the emails with that link, and hope that they will buy the product. So let's not lose any time and let's just jump right into it. Wow, this sentence is so difficult to say. It took me like the 5th attempt. So the website here recommended, it's called Mangools, and it's for improving the SEO tools, the ranking tools for websites of people. I don't know if he recommended this website because it's really good or if they are paying him for it, but let's try this whole thing out. So the first steps are basic. It's creating and confirming the account. Locating the affiliate link, the one I have to send, took me a while, but I have found it in the tab promo materials. Now you can take the link and go to bit.ly to shorten it. Alright, so now that I have the Mangools account set up, it's time for me to compose an email. So the email here recommended to do was something like, "Dear Sir, Madam, I saw your business. I saw that it was ranking really low. I had the same problem recently, but I solved my problem through this website, Mangools. Here's the link, you can do the same." Now, I'm making these videos because I honestly want to show you what it takes to earn the money and if it can really be earned these ways. So I want to show you the truth, and when I'm sending an email, I don't want to lie in that email either, because I never had a problem with my website because I didn't own a website or anything. So I wrote a truthful and honest email. You can see it here. You can pause it and read it. Now maybe I was too honest. Maybe they won't click on my link just because I was too honest and I didn't hide the truth. However, if I won't make any money with this, it's completely okay. I will figure out a different way, and I'm encouraging you to do the same because it's just like a chain reaction, you know? One lies to the other, then the other lies to the other and stuff like that. So then people like us, we have to spread the truth, the honesty. We will break those evil chains. All right, let's go on. Then I went on Google, I searched for the most popular niches. I tried all of them, I went through all of them. Here in this video, I'm showing you just food and recipes, but it doesn't matter. It's just a step-by-step approach that I'm showing you. However, I tried all of those niches. I spent like 8 hours on this whole thing. I spent a few days, I didn't spend like 8 hours straight, but multiple days, like 4 days split into 2 hours, basically working only on this. So I cannot filter Google results to low-ranking websites, which kind of sucks, so I just need to scroll down, find the website that I like, and then look there for the contact information and send them the email. Or if they don't have the contact information, they have something like "get in touch with us, send us this message." So in that message, I send the shortened link that I made, and it's through the websites that I did it the majority of the times. Now in the email you can do a little trick not to include the link. You can just highlight the words you want to function as a link basically and click on that little element where I have my arrow on, and then you will be able to add the URL there. So now this website is highlighted and I don't have to include the link anymore in the email. This was how you find the contact information and how you send the email. So let's go to the results. In the website Mangools, I can see how many clicks did I have on the links, how many people bought them, and what is my commission. You can see that the results are awful, like more than awful. They're like extremely awful. It's just awful results, okay? My membership is over. I won't be buying a membership. Maybe my finding skills of the websites weren't good enough. I don't want to say that the tutorial from Dave Nick is not working. It just didn't work for me. So ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of this tutorial is that for me it didn't work at all, and my 8 hours that I spent on this were just wasted 8 hours. It feels amazing completing all of this Mangools journey. Thank you for your attention, and see you in my next video where I will be explaining you how I'm making shorts on a different channel, and I will tell you all about it. It's using ChatGPT. You'll see that.
So let's not lose any time and let's just jump right into it. So let's not lose any time and let's just jump right into it. So let's not lose any time and let's just So let's not lose any time and let's just jump